Hi, welcome to Virtual CB1A. This is Miss Rena, and for today's video discussion, we are going to continue Case 3, two sides and the angle between them. Nagkaroon tayo ng problema dun sa part 1, but at least we were able to solve Case 3 using law of cosines alone. Actually, this other method that I am going to show you is optional. Sabi ko nga may mga kanya-kanya tayong preference, but I will share to you how you can solve it faster and easier with less confusing formulas. So dito kasi sa case 3, what we did was we used law of cosines in order for us to get the value of A. And then nag-proceed tayo with finding the value of angle B using law of cosines ulit. Nandun yun sa last na video na upload ko and visible yun sa inyo. But this time, I'd like to show you how you can use law of sines after getting A. So, ang naging problema natin earlier, nung wala pa si A, if we choose any two ratio for finding the missing values or the unknowns, laging dalawa yung unknown na may iwan sa'yo. Nung hindi pa natin alam si A, we have A over sine 30 equal to B, which is 4 over sine B. So, dalawa yung unknown, si A at si B. Ganon din dito sa pairing natin ng A over sine A at saka C over sine C. Meron tayong C, which is 5, pero yung angle C, unknown din siya. So, dalawa yung unknown, A and angle C. Pag ginamit mo si B over sine B tsaka si C over sine C, dalawa ulit yung unknown. We have angle B and angle C, which will not give us any value of the unknown by the use of law of sines. But since we already know the value of A now, all we have to do is to substitute the value of A. Ang gagamitin ko ay to the nearest 10 thousandths ulit. So, we have 5217. Dito ako titigil. So, we can get a value closer to the exact value using the law of sine. So, let's substitute. We have A, which is 2.5217 over sine 30, which is equal to B, 4 over sine B. And na-discuss natin before that if you are going to interchange the numerator and denominator of the first ratio, A over sine A, magiging sine A over A, equal pa rin siya dun sa two other ratios if and only if you will also change the position of the numerator and denominator respectively. So, dito kung ito ay gagawin natin as sine A over A, kinuha natin yung reciprocal niya, dapat kukunin din natin yung reciprocal nung dalawa pang given a function. So, we have sine B over B. And then we have sine C over C. So, dito, it'll be easier if the unknown is in the numerator, right? So, we are going to get the reciprocal of our ratios. We have sine 30 over 2.5217, which is equal to sine B over 4. So, this way, si sine B ay nandito na sa numerator, so less na yung magiging operation natin. So, let's apply multiplication property of equality. We need to get rid of 4. So, for us to get rid of 4, we can multiply both sides by 4. So, tanggal na si 4 because 4 divided by 4 is 1 and anything divided by 1 is equal to itself. So, dito meron tayong 4 times sine 30 over 2.5217 is equal to sine B. Ay, mali. Yan, sine B. Ganyan na lang siya. So, kuha tayo ng scientific calculator. So, using our scientific calculator, plug in natin yung ating values. We have 4. multiplied by, insert tayo ng fraction. In the numerator, write sine 30. Make sure that your function is on the degree mode. And then for the denominator, we have 2.5217. Ayan. So we have approximately 0.7931157552 for our function. So ito siya. So hindi ko na isusulat ha kasi mas gusto ko, sabi ko nga, closer to the exact value. So ito mismo yung gagamitin natin. We are going to make use of all of these numbers dun sa susunod na operation. So, ang isusulat ko lang ay 7931 dito, but for the computation here in the calculator, gagamitin ko lahat. So, we have 0.7931 is equal to sine B. How are we going to get the value of B? So, we will use the function arcsine. So, tanggalin natin yung sine dito by using the function arcsine. 0.7931 is equal to B. So, na tayong space. Magmo-move lang ako ng konti. Liliitin ko lang siya ng konti. Ayan. Visible pa rin naman, 'di ba? Okay. So, tuloy natin yung computation. So, ito, arcsine. Lagay lang ako ng panibagong line. We have function, arcsine, answer. So, yon. Arcsine, 0.7931157552. So, that is approximately equal to 52.47. Ano ba to? Ayaw na rin yung lumabas. 477.6. Ayan. Ito yung value ni B. If you are going to check your book, ang nakalagay dun sa book natin is 52.5. This is so much closer than 52.5. Ito, mas malapit to dun sa exact value ng totoong sagot. So now that we know that B is equal to 52.4776, all we have to do is to apply the idea that the sum of all the interior angles in a triangle is equal to 180. So the measurement of angle A plus the measurement of angle B plus the measurement of angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Or the measurement of angle C is equal to 180 degrees minus the measurement of angle A minus the measurement of angle B. Addition property of equality lang yan. So, kuha tayo ulit ng calculator. Ito yung calculator natin. Ayan. So, we have measurement of angle C is equal to 180 minus yung measurement ni A, which is 30, minus ulit yung measurement ni B, which is 52.47764451. So, minus answer tayo. So, we are going to be left with measurement of angle C is equal to 97.5223 or 5224. 97.5224. Okay? Siyempre, lagyan natin sila ng degrees. So, this is how you find the measurements of angle B and angle C using the law of sines after applying the law of cosines to get the value of the unknown side A. Okay? So I hope I was able to make it clear. Ang final na decision nasa inyo pa rin, as long as we are going to end up with the same answer and you didn't violate any rules in mathematics, I will accept your answer. So thank you very much for listening and good luck on your exam.